In this video, I will show you how to make your own talking avatar or image using AI tools, starting with Gencraft, then turning text to speech using Clipchamp, and in the third part, I will use DID to make the image talk. You will learn how to use these tools step by step, and see some examples of the amazing results that you can achieve with them. You will also learn some tips and tricks to optimize your video quality and format. By the end of this video, you will be able to make your own talking avatar or image using AI tools with ease and confidence. You will also discover the benefits of using AI tools, such as speed, simplicity, diversity, and cost-effectiveness. So what are you waiting for? Watch this video now and start making your own talking avatar or image using AI tools today. Start your creative journey by creating a free account on Gencraft and experience the magic of AI art generation. Gencraft empowers you to unleash your imagination and create breathtaking artwork with the help of cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. As a registered user, you can enjoy the freedom to generate up to 10 images per day at absolutely no cost. Prepare to be amazed as Gencraft harnesses the power of AI to revolutionize the way you create stunning pieces of art, opening up a world of limitless possibilities for your artistic expression. After generating your AI image, simply download it. Now after we downloaded our image, enhance your videos with the incredible power of AI voiceovers by signing up for a free account on Clipchamp. You'll gain access to a world of possibilities for your video projects, and we will see that in another tutorial video. Elevate the quality of your content by generating realistic and captivating AI voices that seamlessly with your visuals, and here you can test the voce before generating it. So I'm gonna use this voice you hearing now. I already have my text, I will copy it and paste it here. Then click Save Media. We wait few seconds to get ready. Then we add it to the studio and export. Select Good Quality. We wait for few seconds. Save your video to your desktop. Now the last step in our tutorial is to bring your avatar to life using the amazing capabilities of the DID website. Begin by creating a free account on DID.com, unlocking the potential to create captivating talking images. Once registered, you can easily upload your avatar image along with the corresponding AI voice file that you generated earlier. Then, with eager anticipation, simply click on the Generate button. The DID website revolutionizes the way we interact with images by seamlessly merging them with AI-generated voices. Your avatar will come alive, speaking with the captivating voice you selected, creating a truly immersive and engaging experience for your audience. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or simply curious about AI technology, and we will see in the next video of our channel how to use it to earn money from YouTube or TikTok using avatar tailing image. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I would also love to hear your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.